if you're interested in seeing how I make this finger-licking baked barbecue chicken, please stay tuned to the video. So for this recipe, you'll need some jerk seasoning, and I use this one, the Walker's Wood jerk seasoning. You will also need some dry rub seasoning, and there's a video on my channel showing you how I make that seasoning. Also, you will need your green seasoning marinade, and there's also a video on my channel about that as well. So here I'm just gonna be oiling my baking pan with some coconut oil. Next, I'm gonna be adding my seasoned chicken to my baking pan. Next, I'm gonna put the chicken in the oven on 350 degrees for about an hour and a half. So this is my chicken after it has been baking for an hour. I go in and I baste it with my homemade barbecue sauce. And then I'm gonna put it back in the oven for about another 15 minutes before I take it out and baste it again with the barbecue sauce. So this is me basting the chicken for a third time, and then I'm gonna put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes before it's finished. So this process, you guys, will take approximately an hour and 30 minutes to get this done. So there you have it. Our finger-licking barbecue chicken is all done. And let me tell you guys, this chicken was amazing. So thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more cooking videos like this. So until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.